pretties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm gonna show you how I created this doll makeup look. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoy this one, make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment below. And without much ado, let's get started. My face is all prepped and prime, and I'm gonna move on to my foundation. Today I'm using this one from Forever 52. It's the Ultra Definition Liquid Foundation in the shade FLF014. Now this is my new purchase and this is the first time I'm trying this out. This is how it looks. The consistency is not very liquidy, and yeah, let's see how the color matches me. Okay, so it applies quite beautifully. It's easily blendable, looks really nice. The finish is not like proper matte, it has some dewiness as well. I'm loving it so far. I've applied the foundation on one side of my face and you can clearly see the difference. This side looks so good, exactly matches my skin color, and for the first time when I swatched it, I found it to be really pale and I thought it would look really yellow on my skin, but it is matching me really well. I'm gonna show you up close so that you can clearly see the coverage and the luminosity that it has given. Just loving this product. Let's move on to the next product, otherwise I'm gonna keep talking about this product and how beautiful this is. So let's move on to the next product, which again is from Forever 52. I'm gonna use this to highlight my under eye area. So before blending out this concealer, I'm gonna do some contouring as well. Today I am using this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in a contour shade which is called Beautiful Bronze to contour my face. And we'll contour the nose, because we want a nose like Barbie. So I'm going to blend my contour using this foundation brush. Just buff it out. Barbie has a prominent cupid's bow, so I'm gonna create that. So basically I'm tracing my natural cupid's bow to make it more prominent, and in the center we'll use some highlighting concealer. And I want a bigger pout for this particular look, so I am contouring my upper lip. And I'm also gonna make my lower lip bigger using the same technique, and this gives the illusion of a fuller mouth. Now I'm gonna blend my concealer. And this brush is from Glassmo Cosmetics. These are really affordable. I'll mention it down in the description box below. Do check it out. They have some really good quality affordable brushes. So yeah, the concealer and contour is done, and I'm gonna set this using a loose powder, and then we're gonna move on to the eyes. Now to set everything in place, I'm gonna be using a loose powder, and I have this one from K Beauty. It's the translucent loose powder. It got delivered today only. I'm using a brush to apply this. So this Barbie doll transformation video has become like a product review video as well. Okay, so it feels really light and you can see the difference. So I'm really liking this product. Light in weight, blends in really nicely into the skin and doesn't feel dry. So yeah, as of now I'm really liking this product. Next I'm using the Hoola bronzer to set my contour in place. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be using my Remix Tarte Remix Natural palette, and I'll be using these two shades, the pink one to build the crease, and this silverish shimmery shade on my lid. taking it on a blending brush, and the brush I'm using is from PAC Cosmetics. Again, PAC has some amazing brushes at good prices, so if you're looking for good brushes, do check this brand out. So I'm going to use the shade on my crease and will flick it out as well. Next, I'm gonna be using this brown pencil from Miss Claire. You can use any brown pencil. This is really affordable. I'm gonna trace my crease. Repeat the same on this side. And this doesn't need to be really clean. Now I'm gonna blend this out using a pencil brush. That's done. Next, I'm going to use this shade on my lid, and I'm using my fingers to apply this. Next, I'm adding a liquid liner. For the lower lash line, I'm again going to be using this brown pencil. I'm not going to take it till my inner corner because we'll be using a white pencil inside, and we'll use it in the inner corner as well. And now I can see the Barbie coming. I'm taking the white pencil in the inner part of my lower lash line so that my eyes look bigger, and also taking it in the outer corner. Next, I'm using this mascara from Smashbox. Guys, I'm not really confident with this look, so do show your love in the comments below and let me know how did I do it. So instead of adding any kind of falsies, I'm gonna be creating them using this brown sketch pen liner. So the lower lashes are made, and I'm gonna create upper lashes as well. Now for the upper lashes, I'm using my Sephora liquid liner because this has a really thin tip. I think I'm gonna add the falsies. For brows, I'm going to be using this Dip Brow Pomade from Kat Von D in the shade Medium Brown. I'm going to keep my brows as thin as possible, so I'm not going to be overdrawing any lines, just filling in the gaps. The brows are filled up. Next, I'm going to be using a loose powder to tone them down a little bit. Now I'm gonna highlight my inner corners. Again, I'll be using the shade. So the eyes are completed, and I'm gonna add some blush, and then we're gonna move on to the lips. For blush, I'm gonna be using this lip shade from Maybelline called the color Jolt Matte. We'll see and apply this on the lips as well. For lips, I'm going to be mixing these two shades. This one from Maybelline in the shade 03 Baby Mauve, and the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 20. I'll be mixing these both to make my shade. Next, I'm adding this lip gloss. Just in the center. Now to complete the look, I'm gonna add my wig. This is the finished look, and I hope you guys like it, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment below and let me know what other videos you wish to see next. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.